Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to deposit money or crypto into Gate.io using Binance. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Wallet and click on Deposit. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, where you need to go over to Coin, go over to the search bar and search for the ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit onto Gate.io. You'll then see all the chains you can use for your transfer. However, for XRP there's only one chain available, but if you need to choose between multiple chains and you're not sure which one to use, please don't select one as of right now, because the next thing you need to do is to go over to Binance, go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot, because as you can see over on this page you can deposit and withdraw. Once you're on your Find and Spot page, you need to go ahead and click on the withdraw button right here. You'll then need to go over to Select Coin, click on the coin selector and search for the same cryptocurrency you have selected on Gate.io. Please be aware that if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've got XRP selected on Gate.io, I'll go ahead and select XRP on Binance. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on Network and view all the networks you can use on Binance. You'll then need to search for networks available on Binance as well as on Gate.io. So for me, there's only one chain available on both of the exchanges, which is XRP. However, if there's multiple chains available on both of the exchanges, make sure to take a look at the fees and the arrival time to make the right decision on which chain you would like to use. So if I want to transfer crypto, I'll need to copy my memo as well. So I'm going to click on Confirm. You can then go over to Gate.io, copy your address and paste it in on Binance. Now I will also go ahead and copy my memo or destination tag and paste that in as well. Once you've done that, you can then scroll down, go over to the withdrawal amount and fill in the amount you would like to withdraw. You can also click on Max to select all of your available holdings, and if you would like to withdraw from your funding wallet, make sure to address that here. Now once you've filled in everything you need to fill in, you can go ahead and click on Withdraw. You'll then see the withdrawal pop-up, where I'd recommend you double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and you can then click on Continue. You'll then also have to go through the security verification process, where you need to click on Get Code and fill in the two-factor authentication codes sent to your phone, email or maybe generated in the Google Authenticator. And once you've done that, the last and final thing you need to do to deposit money or crypto into Gate.io using Binance is to click on Submit.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.